It's no secret the public restrooms are a major challenge. They're expensive to maintain, they're difficult to clean, and every year they're the #1 building maintenance complaint. And if they're not cleaned well, they will drive customers away. But more importantly, the restroom is also the #1 building health hazard. Soils and contaminants that originate in the restroom can spread to every area of the building, compromising the health of occupants and visitors. The reality is, you can't have a healthy building if your restrooms are not hygienically clean. Unfortunately, the tools most facilities use to clean the restrooms just don't work. Mops are painfully slow and labor-intensive, and actually do a poor job of removing soils. In fact, studies show that mops often spread more soils than they remove, increasing the likelihood of cross-contamination in the restroom and anywhere else that the mop may be used. But now, WAXIE, the most trusted name in clean, has a solution to this costly restroom problem. Introducing Versa, the ultimate no-mop solution for clean, healthy restrooms. Versa provides superior cleaning results in much less time than traditional cleaning methods. In fact, studies show the Versa no-touch cleaning process removes 60 times more soil than mopping in 1/3 the time. These worker-friendly systems are easy to use and easy to train. Simply apply automatically diluted cleaning solution to fixtures and floors. Then blast away soils with the built-in 500 psi indoor pressure washer. Finally, vacuum away soils in solution with the Versa's powerful wet vacuum, leaving the restrooms clean, safe, and ready for immediate use. No matter the size or construction of your restroom, WAXIE has you covered. Versa, with a 17-gallon capacity, is perfect for medium to large restrooms, or facilities with a large number of restrooms to clean. Versa 2, with a 12-gallon capacity, is perfect for small to medium restrooms. Plus, WAXIE can provide a total hygiene solution including equipment and consumables, along with training, service, and ongoing support to help you own the restroom. Every building deserves a clean, healthy restroom. Contact WAXIE, the most trusted name in clean since 1945, to see how Versa can transform your restroom.